Hi, this is Vadim. In this quick tutorial, we'll go from start to finish together. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to reset your Windows 11 PC without losing your personal files. I'll show you how to reset this PC and avoid safe mode loops afterward, as well as two different reinstall methods, Cloud Download Reinstall or Local Reinstall. To start the reinstall process, you need to navigate to Settings, System and Recovery. Here, you need to click on the Reset PC button. I'll choose the option Keep My Files because that's obviously your preference too. Here you have two choices, Cloud Download versus Local Reinstall, and you need to select carefully based on your circumstances. Cloud Download pulls fresh files from Microsoft over the internet, often fixing deeper corruptions and installing more up-to-date build, but it uses more data, uses internet, and takes longer. Local Reinstall, the alternative, uses the recovery image already on your PC, which was created as part of Windows installation. Local Reinstall is faster, it works offline, but if that image is damaged or outdated, you may reintroduce issue and need a big round of updates afterwards. I will choose Cloud Download because it fits best my circumstances. But obviously, you need to select what's best for you. One important tip here that might help you. If reset fails to start, install the latest cumulative Windows updates or use in-place repair from ISO file. I'm ready to click the reset button, but I want to share with you one last important point. Because the changes you make are irreversible, you need to understand which personal files are kept on your PC. Windows will keep all the files located under your profile. If you go to Drive C in Windows Explorer and then select Users folder, you will see all the users on this computer, and all the files under the particular user will be kept, which includes desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, music, and videos. Windows Reset also preserves other library folders and locally synced OneDrive items. It does not keep any installed apps, and it does not keep most of the system or settings changes.